Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, Gaming Giant, that's Supreme Ventures Limited, ticker symbol SVL. Dividend consideration here. It should be a good one. Advisory that a meeting of the board of directors of SVL will be held on Thursday, July 21st at 10 a.m. to consider an interim dividend. Next up, we've got the Limners and Bards Limited, better known as the Lab in the Marketplace. Revised notice of annual general meeting. It's actually the company's third AGM here. Annual general meeting is going to be held July 20th, 2022 at the Terra Nova Hotel. Now, PanJam Investment Limited, that's PanJam, issue of stock grants here. It's a good look by PanJam. Of course, executives, team members, they want shares in the companies that they work at. PanJam has advised that on the 14th of July this year, 5 members of the executive team were issued stock grants totaling just over 258,000 shares. Quite a bit of shares there under the company's long-term incentive plan. PanJam also advised that a connected party sold 258,000 shares or so on the 14th of July, the set date. Now, Productive Business Solutions Limited, ticker symbol PBS. Talk about a company doing a lot of things, making their moves as well. A preference share dividend declaration here, giving some shareholders back some funds, but as this is the preference shares, not the ordinary shares. Advisory that a dividend was declared on the preference shares in the sum of just over 124.7 million Jamaican dollars to the cumulative preference shareholders. It's going to be payable closer to the end of this month, July 29th, 2022. Last up tonight, before you head into your weekend, Fosrich Company Limited. Talk about a company making their moves close to their 52-week high here, trading in kind of that $35–37 share price band. Associated company of Fosrich, licensed now with the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority. That's the SEZ. Fosrich states Blue Emerald Limited application to the Special Economic Zone Authority for a license to operate as a single entity developer was recently approved by the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, and the required Gazette supplement was published. Done deal here. The operating certificate was subsequently issued after the signing of the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority license agreement. And Fosrich, they had recently their meeting or their AGM and so forth, or special resolutions were passed, and all of that was done successfully. So Fosrich just going from strength to strength. Talk about 52-week low, $7 and change, 52-week high, $39 and change. And the stock in the last 12 months just has had so much earnings momentum, positive momentum overall, just earnings developments and deals and so forth and announcements just like this. Have a fantastic weekend. I'm Mark Croskery and this is Business Live.